Hello, Facebook family. And depending on when you're watching this, good morning, good afternoon, or good night. Now, today I just wanted to hop on and talk about some pain in the workplace and kind of what it can cause. So, it's one of the most common causes of missed work, lack of focus, mistakes at the workplace, and increased stress. With millions of Americans now working from home, the incidence of back and neck pain has increased dramatically due to either improper ergonomics, poor posture, increased workloads, and then just the lines between leaving work at work and home at home has been completely flipped on its head. So really there's no wonder why there has been such an increase. One of the things I want to talk about though is, did you guys know that those who suffer from back and neck pain that do not see a chiropractor are twice as likely to miss work due to those injuries? And a lot of times that's what these neck and low back pain are, even due to the improper posture, is just mechanical stress. So there's so many research articles. We're going to talk a little bit about just a couple that I found today, and even patient testimonials about how chiropractors can help with back pain. So stop feeding the statistics, everyone. See your chiropractor today. And let's go ahead, and this is the first time I've ever done this, so hopefully you guys bear with me on this one. But we're gonna look at an article that I found with some interesting facts about back pain. So let's look here. We're gonna get this figured out. I'm trying to share my computer here, my screen. I might not be able to share it once I already started. So we're just going to read through them today. I'll work on getting that figured out. Thanks for being patient. Okay. So worldwide, back pain is the single leading cause of disability, and it prevents people from engaging in work as well as other everyday activities. So this can be, if it's parents, grandparents, anything like that, being able to play or hang out with your kids, being able to pick them up. Back pain can definitely get in the way of that. It's one of the most common reasons for missed work. Half of all working Americans admit to having back pain symptoms each year, and I can almost guarantee you, with everybody, a lot of people going home and working from home, we are not set up to be, most people, to be properly in, I guess, the ergonomics of your house. It's not set up the way it was at your office. So when we all went home, your posture, your ergonomics were not set up for you. So our next video, we're going to be talking about that, so stay tuned. Back pain accounts for more than 264 million lost workdays in 1 year. So that's about 2 workdays for every full-time worker in the country. It's estimated that up to 80% of the population will experience back pain at some point in their lives. It can affect people of all ages, from adolescents to elderly. It's the third most common reason for visits to a doctor's office, behind skin and osteoarthritis or joint disorders. Most causes of back pain are mechanical or non-organic, so they're not caused by any serious conditions such as like inflammatory arthritis, infection, fracture, or cancer. It's usually something that is mechanical, so either your improper posture while you're sitting, working, exercising, something along those lines. So that is where your chiropractor can come in and help make sure that we are, if you have questions and your chiropractor is willing to kind of go over some, if you're lifting improperly or something along those lines. And then, like I said, next week we're going to talk about the next video, we're going to talk about some setting up your workplace just to give you a little bit more of an edge to not have this happen. Most people with low back pain recover. However, reoccurrence is common, and for small percentages of people, the condition will become chronic or disabling if left unhelped. So make sure that you get out there and you start doing something proactively. So many times in our lives we're more reactive versus proactive when it comes to our help. So thanks, Hunter. I appreciate the comment, man. We're doing what we can. So we need to be more proactive about our health, especially when it comes to this low back pain, neck pain, anything like that. Something that's mechanically driven. Find some alternatives. Too many times we go straight to not the conservative approach. We go to somebody that gives us some kind of pill to help with it, and that's just covering up the symptoms, guys. We need to start attacking this head on. Worldwide, years lived with disability caused by low back pain have increased 54% between 1990 and 2015. So, I mean, we can all probably assume going and working at desk jobs, stuff like that. We do have more people getting active too. So if you're not doing it properly, you need to be making sure that you are, because you could be causing some of that mechanical issues. And like I said, chiropractors can help, guys. Also massage therapists, stuff like that. Do conservative approaches before you go into just getting some muscle relaxers and pain relievers. And then we'll just touch on this last one. Low back pain costs Americans at least $50 billion in healthcare costs each year. So, and then if you add in the lost wages and decreased productivity, that's closer to 100 billion, sorry. So these mechanical things that are causing us to be less active, they're decreasing our productivity at work, lack of focus, probably causing us to be a little more irritable with spouses or even kiddos, stuff like that. Let's stop feeding those statistics. See your chiropractor today. If you guys have any questions, please let me know in the comments, or if you have any personal details that you want to share, please message me, and then we'll kind of go from there. But thank you so much for staying tuned. I will work on getting this better. Mandy, thank you. You are also the best, and appreciate all you guys. Have a good rest of your day, and remember, stay alert. See ya.